Hi, welcome to my studio vlog. My name is Shaylee Lako. I am a beginner in studio vlogs, but I have been drawing for about 10 years. Just started my business, and I will be talking to you guys throughout this vlog. I'll be doing some art, and I hope you join me for the ride. Yeah, thank you, and I hope you continue to watch this video, like and subscribe, and yeah, bye! I'm Shaylee Lako, and I was just here to talk. I know that my videos are kind of a bit boring. I'm a big homebody, and I don't really leave my apartment too much. Only to hang out with my boyfriend and go to therapy, and other than that, it's like grocery stores. And yeah, so I'm sorry if these are very homebody like, but this is my world up in this apartment. For the most part, I'm trying to branch out and be more entertaining and get more comfortable in the front of the camera and kind of show more in life. I don't know if you guys would like more montage videos or more talking videos or anything like that. Feedback would be great. Yeah, I've just been, for me, I've just been kind of like sitting a lot, watching a lot of YouTube and hanging out with Shadow. Hi! What you doing? Oh, my babies. Oh gosh, I got brushed up. Hi. Yeah. I don't know exactly how to do all this. I am trying to find things about me that are grabbable, that are entertaining, that will grab attention. I don't know, but to be honest, my life is a bit boring. This is me making it fun. Hopefully, as the weather gets nicer in Minnesota, I'll do more things and have more fun and get out more. But in the reality of things, this is my fun. But yeah, I don't know if I should be real or like this is it, like just woo, or if I should go out and create a life for you guys to watch. I don't know exactly how to do this. Alright. She's rubbing her face on everything. And all those your friends? Yeah. You happy? There's a camera bag. Hi. Well, I guess you can watch me pet my cat for a moment. Hello? Can you move, please? Thank you. Yeah. I want to try different things through this, and I apologize for my messy room. Just kind of, it's definitely a test how you guys would like things kind of situation right now. And yeah, we can always just hang out and chat and sorry, she's being adorable. The babies, hi, I love you. Yeah. So yeah, I guess I'll talk to you guys soon, and whatever this vlog is, I hope you enjoy it. Bye. Thank you for watching my studio vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll be making another studio vlog soon. I'm pretty proud of this one, and I'm thankful that you watched it. I hope you have a great day. Yeah! Bye!